Today, Fun with Flowers and J is brought to you by Design Master Color Tool and Reliant Ribbon's Bows and Trims.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and J. Today on Fun with Flowers and J, we're recycling some liquor bottles and upcycling an apothecary jar for some creepy Halloween event centerpieces from Design Master Color Tool. So our first step is to actually empty the liquor bottle. Once we've got it emptied, then we can remove the labels. And now we'll paint it using the ink Uber matte. That's going to give us a dark color and the matte finish. So once our bottles are painted, we want to apply labels. We used some clip art and ran it off on label paper. And then we'll apply the labels directly to our bottles. Then we can fill our bottles with water and add creepy flower elements. We'll fill our bottle with some creepy floral elements. We'll use bishop's balls, some echinops, blood red scabiosa, and interesting foliages, including some crazy allium. This gives us a nice creepy effect with the flowers. So I've got one more project to show you, and things don't always turn out the way I planned. As I was working on this project, I broke the apothecary jar. But I just knocked off the bottom, so it was still pointed. So I created a base and filled it in with beautiful orange carnations. Then I can drive my apothecary jar down into the foam. But first, I used sepia tinted from Design Master to age and weather the apothecary jar. So something that was broken became something very valuable that I could use in my Halloween centerpiece. Now I wanted something creepy to put inside the apothecary too, so I'm using scabiosa pods. They almost look like little millions of eyeballs looking out through the apothecary jar. We'll accent it with a beautiful piece of Reliant Ribbon, perfect for Halloween. So now we have a great little tablescape for our Halloween party with our special little bottles of witch's brew and poison and our apothecary jar that contains some creepy things. Remember to always pick up the apothecary from the bottom because we just have it driven down inside there. And remember, you can store this away for next year and use it again. These are creepy ideas brought to you from the color experts at Design Master. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.